couple $100 million more for the utility.
The problem is this, that even if there was no settlement, we don't know what the court will still, the arbitration panel will still come with a ruling, come with a judgment, come with a award. We don't know whether or not we have a settlement or not. The settlement basically, to my understanding, was essentially to address the matter of the challenge to the constitutionality, which was going through the Court of Appeal or the CCJ. That has now been withdrawn. That has been settled. In turn, the government has agreed that we will honor and abide and accept the arbitration award. But it's really not always to agree it. I mean, it's coming, whether or not there was a settlement.
But government has fought arbitration rulings in the past. In fact, I think there's still an arbitration ruling that they are fighting as we speak. So why was this one agreed to even before it comes? Because government could have stretched this out.
Well, the previous arbitration rulings were in respect of things emanating from the accommodation agreement, which the government said was illegal. And therefore, they were fighting that. This is really compensation for a nationalization of an asset, the shares. So we had to pay. The government has never refused to pay. It's just a question of how much.
Now, you're somebody who crunches figures for a living. There have been different figures shown about in terms of share value. How much, if we look at the upper end, how much are we looking to pay in the end based on the arbitration ruling?
Well, the one side is asking for $10.23 a share. We had offered $1.44, so there's a chasm in between. We're hoping that the arbitration panel will come closer to our figure. We have had a lot of expert assessments done. Some high-tech firms from the UK has done our work for us. We're hoping that the panel will see it our way, but we just don't know.
And if the panel goes middle ground, $5 to $6, how much are we looking at in what will be owed?
About $200 million more.
And since we had the FinSec there, we also asked about the legal fees paid for certain select attorneys, including